Who's this? Edwin Gonzalez, main estate, MedStar Washington Hospital Center. I'm in the carpenter section, but I basically work in all the areas, from electrical, plumbing, and painting. That's my background, is always been painting. That's how I started 27 years ago. I came to MedStar Washington Hospital Center with the contractors. Then after a few years working here at the hospital, I met Mr. William Covington. He gave me the opportunity to come and work for the hospital. So basically everything I learned through his leadership. Knowing that I'm doing something that I like, knowing that I'm helping patients, because to me that's my priority, patients. Yeah, of course, paycheck helps. But when you're working and doing something that you like and you love it, and you see a patient in one of the rooms, I think they deserve all the respect, because basically, we're here because of them. If not, there will be no MedStar Washington Hospital Center. I am from El Salvador. I was born in El Salvador, but I was raised in the States. I came here back in 1984. So basically my life has always been here. I always been a painter, and that's one thing that I love and enjoy, painting. I can be all stressed, but if I go paint, I'm the happiest man. So my family means everything to me. My two kids, my son and my daughter. Brian, he's 27. Kaylee is 22. My wife, that I've been blessed because God gave me the perfect woman, and that's a blessing. I've been married with my wife for 28 years. My dad moved to Texas, and I went to visit him. So that's how I started in the maintenance business. I asked my dad, I wanted to learn what you do. And he said, are you sure? I said, I am. I want to be like you. So that's how I ended up being a maintenance, and not knowing that years after that, coming back to DC, I would end up in the MedStar Washington Hospital Center. Well, my dad, everything I am is because of him. I have a good relationship with my dad. We get along. When I have issues here at the hospital or anywhere, I call him. And he's there for me. I always get the good advice when it comes to work. I said, Dad, you're not having these issues, having these problems. He said, you know what to do. Remember what I taught you? I said, okay. My second family should be my first one, because I'm always here at MedStar Washington Hospital Center. Advice I give my colleagues: always compete against you, don't compete against your coworkers. Today, I'm good, but tomorrow I'm gonna be better. So I always tell them that. So they believe it, I don't know, but on me, yeah, that's what I believe.